Most van life videos show the destination, but they never show this. We spent months turning a standard 4x4 into a true off-grid home. But capability on paper is one thing, the wilderness is another. The question is, can a vehicle designed for city comfort survive the absolute wild? Our goal was simple: reach a completely inaccessible spot, miles from any signal. The challenge was immediately clear. The trail quickly degraded into a rocky, unstable mess. This mud pit was the ultimate test. This is where the money is spent, not on the countertops, but on the torque and the locking differentials. We had to rely completely on the automated 4x4 system. Every piece of engineering was tested in this moment, but we pushed through. The ultimate reward for capability is always freedom. We earned this solitude. But the real reward isn't the silence. It's the fact that our reward is about to look like this. We made it, 100% off-grid. The transformation from rough road to pure calm is the ultimate payoff. First job, deploying the power and water. Our focus is zero footprint, 100% self-sufficiency. Every system, solar, lithium power, water filtration, is designed to work perfectly, miles from any town. This 4-season insulation means even though we are exposed to the elements, the temperature inside remains perfect. This is where the quality of the build truly justifies the price tag. We've seen the wilderness. Now it's time to see the home. Every inch is optimized for this lifestyle, even the secrets we haven't shown you yet. Step inside. This is the payoff. After the mud, you get a full climate-controlled kitchen, ready for a gourmet meal. The bed is full size. And yes, we have a hot shower, even miles from civilization. This is the true contrast. Extreme capability married to total comfort. You can be miles